Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to our channel B2C, Beginner to Champion. Today, we will discuss on common doubts people have about SSC Typing Test, tips and tricks to perfection. The very first thing to know is, do you need a typing course certificate? Well, no, you don't really need typing course certificate. All you need is typing skill. If you're skilled, you get through the test. The second thing that comes to your mind is what to do if you don't have any typing experience. No worries, follow the below set steps. Practice 2 hours every day. As you get dates for exam, practice 1 or 2 hours additionally. How to practice typing? We say don't use laptop keyboard for typing practice. Instead, buy a new one and practice using that because when you go for exam, the keyboard provided has more space among keys like in normal computers. Many online and offline softwares are available which are user-friendly and these will be helpful for practicing. So, what is the speed required and number of words to focus while practicing? In CHSL, speed for LDC posts other than CAG is 35 words per minute. For CAG, it's 50 words per minute and for CGL, it's 30 words per minute. Focus minimum 40 plus words per minute as it will be helpful for you to manage exam time fear as normal aspirants have. What are the types of mistakes? There are 2 types of mistakes, full mistakes and half mistakes. First, let's discuss about full mistakes. The following errors are treated as full mistake. Every omission of word or figure. Every substitution of a wrong word or figure. Every addition of word or figure not found in the passage. Let's move on to half mistakes. The following errors are treated as half mistakes. Spacing errors, where no space is provided between the words or letters of a word. The example is given below. I hope or undecided space is provided between the words or letters. Next is where every spelling error committed by way of repetition or addition or transposition or omission or substitution of a letter or letters. Example, the word spelling typed as seepling, etc. Next is wrong capitalization. Wrong use of capital letter for small letter and vice versa. But this does not apply to Hindi typewriting scripts. Important points to be noted are any corrections made by pen or pencil are ignored and no credit is given to such corrections. The speed of key depressions per hour on computer will be adjusted on the basis of the correct entry of words or key depressions as per the given passage. Last is how to error calculated. Many of you have a doubt how error is calculated in typing exam. So here we are providing you with the formula. Now let's see how to improve accuracy. Practice in Notepad. Type a passage by setting timer for 10 minutes. After typing, copy the same and paste in Word. This will help you to check errors. Keep practicing the same passage and make sure of your accuracy. In the description box, we have attached sample typing practice material. Keep practicing and achieve success. If you have any doubts, feel free to contact us through WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number 9486166534. Our team is always ready to help you with solutions. If this video was useful for you, please do like and share the knowledge. Subscribe to this channel for expert tips and guidance for various placement exams and press the bell icon for instant notifications.